Alright, I'm Matt Jones, and I'm making an immersive RPG in Godot. And this is devlog number 4. And once again, it's been a lot longer than I expected because I'm still moving and I'm once again trying to sneak record in a garage somewhere, so hopefully I don't get shot or run over or something here. Anyway, what have I been up to? Let's see. All right, I've been working a lot more on the raycast based collision detection for small objects like soda cans and oranges and little items and whatnot. It doesn't quite work when things are rotated, but it works a lot better, as you can see with let me move some of these oranges around. The pile acts like you would expect. So that's cool. So more progress, and some things are just too small for right now. So I've compensated by making them larger, like these soda cans, which are like, I don't know, like a meter tall right now. um, what else have I been doing? Um, oh, I've been adding making items more interactive. For example, if I shoot this soda can, shoots out, makes it like a puddle of water that interacts with everything. That's cool. Let me pick this up. Um, one of the really cool things I've been working on is a microwave gun. Let me see here. So it's just a slap together gun that someone made from salvaging parts of a microwave. You got the car battery, the magnetron here, and then a dish to focus everything. And then, yeah, I know this isn't exactly how a real magnetron would work here with the antenna, but it's close enough for now just to give us something to work with. Um, and how does that work when we use our items here? For example, if I shoot this cola here, it's going to swell up. The mesh is expanding based on the temperature, and then it's going to explode and shoot off. That's kind of cool. We got some debris. Um, Needs a bit more fine tuning. And there's a decal. I've been experimenting with decals on surfaces. Not quite what I want, but it works for now. Let's see if I keep hitting this orange with the microwave beam, it'll heat up, and the mesh will darken from orange to black, and it'll get more kind of misshapen and pointy, like it's sizzling, and then eventually it'll just catch on fire. And the fire, I'm kind of impressed with the way it looks. It looks pretty good for now. I can pick this up and move it around, and the fire particles act like they're supposed to. Can roll it around, and if I roll it into some water here, let me see if I can get it here. Of course, I can't get it. The fire should go out because I'm working more on the and it touches tiny little water particle. Whatever, that's good enough for now. What else? Where's that? What's that other thing? I thought I saw some popcorn. Oh, there we go. There's a popcorn. It's like a kind of like a Jiffy Pop. It'll expand a little bit and catch on fire and start popping the popcorn. Um, I want to make some of the systems more. There we go. It's popping now. Got some popping sound effects. Oh, there we go. Let's see. I think if I put this in water, it will go out. Let me put it over here. There we go. As you can see, this soda it's still emitting liquid, even though obviously it would be empty by now. But it's just for testing. It's still expanding the pool of water. I just added this the other day where it will add little puddles, and they don't quite work like I want. Like the bigger puddle will just kind of absorb the volume of liquid of the smaller puddle. But that's kind of neat for now. So now we got temperature that'll heat up things and light it on fire if it gets hot enough. And then we got liquid that will cool things off. So we're starting to add some of those systemic systems that interact in different ways and can create like cool gameplay elements. I started adding some of those for now, but I don't want to show them off yet because that'll be the next video. So this is kind of a shorter video, but for now, um, uh, let me know, comment on things. Let me know if you guys have any comments or any recommendations, or if you want to see anything else, because I'm gonna still be working on this and adding some more gameplay based on these systems. So, alright, guys, I'll talk to you later.